This is one of the most creative kitchens that you will ever see, and of course the creative chef. Now today I'm actually doing a recipe using this amazing Mantra ka chole masala. Now when you have a chole masala, what do you think? क्या बनेगा? अमृतसरी छोले बन जाएंगे, छोले की कड़ी बनेगी, चना मसाला बनेगा, and all that sorts. But today I am actually making a biryani. You heard that right. I am going to be using chole masale to create a fantastic paneer and chole ki biryani. Now, the next thing you must be saying, oh God, another rice recipe. No, this is not a rice recipe. This is actually a millet recipe, which means that I am going to be actually making a millet paneer and chane ki biryani. How cool is that? Let's start cooking. Now, first things first, paneer and chana both are really good sources of protein in India for an Indian diet. Okay. Now, ये जो paneer है, you can substitute with tofu if you wish. The chana you can add rajma into it. So basically lentils भी डाल सकते हो. Now my focus here today is chickpeas, यानी कि chana, which means that there is a lot of flavor and a lot of protein happening in this dish. Now first things first, let's start marinating the paneer first. So there's a whole process of cooking. You can't do everything first and some things later. There's a kind of a chronological order to it. तो मैंने क्या किया, पहले जो millets है, मेरे पास है millets, don't worry. I've already pre-cooked the foxtail millets. Now in the comments you will see I've got the whole recipe. So you will figure out how to actually cook that millets. It's a very special way. Now for the paneer, I have about 250 grams of paneer here. I think about 300 grams. फिर अभी हम इसके साथ एक marination बनाएंगे. Now for the marination, I have with me say 1 tablespoon of hung curd, I would say. फिर हम डालेंगे इसमें the usual lovely masalas which give you a lot of flavor. So half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of some garam masala, half a teaspoon of some dhania. I've got a little bit of cracked black pepper यहाँ पे डाली है और salt स्वाद अनुसार, हल्दी या थोड़ी सी, little bit. It has a little flavor, a good antiseptic, and it's a good combination as well. तो ये जो हमारे mixtures और yogurt ready हो गए. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of oil to create this kind of a marinade. आप इसमें पानी भी डाल सकते हैं, जो weight जो बचता है curd का वो भी डाल सकते हैं. So look here. So we've got this really nice, lovely marinade happening here. Okay. Almost तैयार हो गया. Okay. And always remember that, you know, if you're focusing, आप ये recipe देख रहे हो, आपको quantities देखनी है, sometimes you know forget, अरे pen paper लिखो, नहीं, comment section में पूरी recipe आपके लिए. So don't you worry about it. I got you covered. So ये जो marination जो है, हम उसको अच्छी तरह. Now sometimes you'll find recipes where you'll have flour in this, corn flour in this. But you know what? I don't really need anything in this because basically ये इसको हम हल्का सा flavor देंगे, and in a pan I'm going to just very quickly stir fry. We're going to saute the paneer. Okay? So ये marination चकाचक ready हो गई है. I'm going to put this on the side and I'm going to be back. Now paneer marinated, done, relaxing here. You can even ये पहले भी आप कर सकते हैं. No big deal. Okay? Now as you know, बिरयानी की प्रोसेस होती है. पहले कटिंग होती है, चॉपिंग होती है, चावल को पा बॉयल करते हैं. यहाँ पे हमारे मिलेट्स भी पा बॉयल हो गए हैं. I'll talk to you about this, don't worry. अभी फिर बनती है ग्रेवी, यानी कि नॉर्मली हम मीट को मैरिनेट करते हैं, तो हमने अपने पनीर को भी मैरिनेट कर दिया. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बी मेकिंग आवर एक्चुअल बिरयानी का मसाला. ओके, समटाइम्स हम उसे झोल भी कहते हैं, but in this case I just call it a nice lovely chana masala. So a nice 2 tablespoons of ghee. Okay, don't feel so shy, but ghee तो बनता ही है. And then we have our खड़े मसाले. Okay, I've got a few peppercorns here. थोड़ी सी एक स्टार भी डाल दी हमने, एक बड़ी इलायची डाल दी, 2-3 तेज पत्ते भी डाल दिए हमने. Okay, छोटी इलायची which is one of my favorite. Okay, And then of course cinnamon, दालचीनी के बिना तो बिरयानी बनी ही नहीं है. Okay, so nice. So I'm waiting for all these spices to start really almost like dancing in this ghee. Okay, so remember with spices you have to be careful and you also have to understand that जो spices का जो flavor निकलता है, it's on the application of heat. Now they all have a lot of oils. Okay, now the oils need to come out. Now talking about oils and spices and flavors, that's when I have to tell you how cool these spices are or how cool is the way these spices are made. Now as you know, जब spices के साथ मसाले बनते हैं, they have to be ground. जो machine है, when it creates a lot of heat, मसाले ग्राइंड करने के टाइम क्या होता है? All those valuable volatile oils in the spices actually disappear. So literally जो खुशबू है, जो न्यूट्रिशन है, जो फ्लेवर है स्पाइसेस का, वो चला जाता है. Why? Because it's too hot. लेकिन with Mantra spices it's a different story. Everything is cold stone ground. यानी कि all the spices and all the flavors are actually still in there because the temperature was never high. So yes, science and technology just helps. I mean, just the kind of info I had to tell you. Okay. In short, बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. Okay. So we've got our spices. फिर I've got about almost like 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion paste. Okay. तो ये अनियन पेस्ट को हम हल्का सा भूनेंगे और इसके बाद हम डालेंगे 1 या 2 स्प्लिट ग्रीन चिली. ओके, वाह. देन वी हैव दिस लवली जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट अबाउट 1.5 टीस्पून. ओके, और अभी हम इसको हल्का सा सॉटे करने वाले हैं. सो वंस दिस स्टार्ट्स नाइसली भुना, यू कैन सी जो कच्चा फ्लेवर होता है जिंजर गार्लिक का, इवेंचुअली वो चला जाता है. Until that stage you have to be cooking it. So अभी some garam masala about 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons of Mantra का छोले मसाला. Beautiful, perfect. So we have our spices sorted here. Imagine if I had to make this all on my own, I would have to buy so many different spices because ये जो मंत्रा का जो छोले का मसाला है उसमें एटलीस्ट 10 या 12 स्पाइसेस जाते हैं. गरम मसाले में भी अबाउट 12-13 स्पाइसेस गो. सो इमेजिन हियर आई एक्चुअली हैव 24 स्पाइसेस. नाउ हु हैज सो मच टाइम एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू हैव एवरीथिंग अवेलेबल हियर, व्हाई नॉट, यू नो. सो ब्यूटिफुल. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर. So we've got this really nice thing going. Now, one very good thing is that when you're cooking millets, okay, ultimately, I use a little extra water to cook the millet and then I drain the millets. I use a draining method. Now, what is left here is the millet ka cooking ka pani. Now, when I'm cooking millets, I cook it exactly like biryani rice. Sab khade masale dalta hu main and that's how I make it. So now I'm going to be adding a touch of this millet ka pani. That means you know how much nutrition there is in this. There is absolutely zero wastage. और जो भी all your nutrients from your millets are in this water. So this is actually like liquid gold if you ask me. Okay. Now you can see this now. I've got already getting a fantastic color. Now look, come and have a look here. Okay. See the base, how beautiful this is. Exact color. Nice. इसके बाद हम डालेंगे अबाउट 1.5 कप पके हुए छोले. ओके, नाइस, लवली. तो ये हमने अच्छी तरह भून लिया है. अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे सम सॉल्ट एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू बी एडिंग 1.5 कप ऑफ टमाटो प्यूरे इन हियर. ब्यूटिफुल, perfecto. So we've got this lovely, gorgeous chana masala happening here, to which I'm going to be adding a bit of this millet ka pani, and I'm going to let this simmer for 5 to 7 minutes at least until the spices are well cooked, the chickpeas are nicely simmered, and then we're going to be layering this, or I'm just going to be topping this up with the millets, and then उसको हम 15 मिनट के लिए धीमी आंच पे दम कर लेते हैं. Chana is done. Now let's start with our paneer. So हमारे पनीर के लिए add a little bit of ghee, and I've got a half a teaspoon of jeera. Nice when the jeera cracks in, and then add my paneer inside. What I'm trying to do, I'm just actually searing. Okay, I'm just searing the paneer, and I'm just going to be putting it as one layer. Okay, so beautiful. Just giving this a little move now. Okay, nice. Actually, ये जो marination के साथ जो थोड़ा सा sauce बन रहा है, don't worry about that. ये बिल्कुल this is going to be used to flavor our biryani. Literally, it's like almost like a sauce happening there, free of cost, if you know what I mean. Fantastic. So we've got a really nice paneer thing going on here, and we're just going to turn it off. Next, we have to layer our biryani, our millet biryani. Okay. So literally, like how you would do with a normal thing, is that I'm going very easy on the kind of the ghee. So just going to add about a tablespoon and a half, lining it with this. Then I'm going to add a few mint leaves at the bottom. I'm going to be adding just a little bit of fried onions. I'm going to be adding a little bit of coriander. Beautiful. Next, these lovely fragrant foxtail millets. Okay, now millets are coming back in a big way. In fact, when I was traveling abroad very recently, you have a lot of restaurants in Europe and in the UK, of course in the States as well, where they're really beginning to eat a lot of millets. And it's been a great initiative of our Prime Minister as well, Sri Narendra Modi, who actually made last year as the year of the millets. So literally, there's a whole movement happening, and best part is that जो हमारे country में जो millets की variety जो है, it's just unbelievable. Now, I believe that if you want to introduce these different kind of ingredients in your homes, in your diets, especially children, they must eat this. The best way is to cook their favorite dishes, but using millets. For example, biryani. You can't go wrong with the biryani. Everybody loves biryani. Everybody loves pulao. Everybody loves yakni. So why not create the same thing using millets? It's much more lighter, it's much more tastier, it's much more healthier, it's also more trendier. I've got great spices here, I've got fantastic recipes. All you need to do is like, share and subscribe too. Okay? So, wow, now look at that. Perfecto. We're going to be starting the ceremonial process of layering this. Okay? Perfect. So we have our millet here, and then we're adding our lovely choles here. Okay? Beautiful. And then we're going to be adding some paneer as well. You can add green peas, you can add carrots, lots of veggies, any kind of veggies which you like. But you know, जब चना मिलता है और पनीर मिलता है ना, the others can wait, if you know what I mean. काफी प्रोटीन है. You know, why do you want to add some extra complex carbohydrates? Why? क्यों? Why? अभी इसके बाद हम डालेंगे थोड़ा प्याज इसमें. Again, some more mint leaves, some coriander leaves. You're cooking it in the festive time. You can use a lot of dried fruits, cashew nuts, raisins, almonds, whatever you like. But you know, I just feel there's enough in this, if you ask me. So, fantastico, another lovely layer we got here. Then we have another layer of our lovely mantra ke chana masale. Kafi पौष्टिक है, काफी tasty है. I'm sure you guys are going to really love cooking this recipe for sure. Beautiful. I mean, the whole combination of different kinds of spices, the garam masala, a little bit of tadka going on the top. Wow, we have a winner. Then we're going to be topping this up. इसको भी हम nice बंद करके. We don't really need to seal this because I'm using a cast iron pot. The lid is pretty heavy. अपने आप beautifully दम से प्यार से पक जाएगी. ये देखो, इसे कहते हैं precision, exact quantities. अभी हम हल्का से इसे दबा देते हैं. And our final finishing. थोड़ा सा हमारा पनीर का रोगन. Now look at that, gorgeous, beautiful. And then we have our lovely mint leaves here, some coriander, थोड़ा सा barista यानी कि fried onions, okay, and then a little dollop of ghee और हमारी millet और चने की बिरयानी almost ready. And it's time to dum the biryani. 15 to 20 minutes, beautifully nice, all the flavors coming together. This is a very heavy lid. I don't really need to put the atta around it like you do, but this is good enough. And you know what? I'll see you soon. Oh yeah. Now look at that. Beautifully moist, nice and light, very tasty. Amazing. Now, चना चावल तो सुना होगा, पनीर चना चावल तो ज़रूर सुना होगा, लेकिन मिलेट के साथ जो बिरयानी बनती है with the same combo using मंत्रा spices का गरम मसाला as well as छोले मसाला, you know what? I think we have a winner. Do like, do share and do subscribe and do eat.